Welcome to Amsterdam Solutions. We've been giving you top-notch digital tools for over 10 years. Want more eyes on your tracker.gg game profile? Low views, especially under 100, can make people think you're a smurf or even a cheater. They'll believe you're using hacks in games because your profile views are so low. This can even get you banned. You need high views, like 1,000 plus, so everyone knows you're the real deal, a true esporter. That's where Trackerviews comes in. It's our powerful service designed to give your Tracker.gg profile unmatched visibility and credibility. With Trackerviews, you easily increase your profile views on Tracker.gg. Get your stats seen by more people instantly, proving you're a serious player. Our views are permanent, affordable, and come with fast support. Trackerviews helps you stand out, look like a pro, and avoid suspicion. We have many happy customers who prove it. At Amsterdam Solutions, we stand by our products. We're here for the long haul, committed to your satisfaction. We're honest, in a business where that's rare. Ready to boost your Tracker.gg views and prove you're an esporter? Visit our Discord server or website amsterdam.solutions to get started.